Healthcare is on the cusp of a revolution. Advanced manufacturing techniques are transforming the way we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. These technologies, once confined to science fiction, are now a tangible reality, offering unprecedented possibilities for improving human health. From three-dimensional printed organs to nanoscale drug delivery systems, the future of medicine is being shaped by the innovative tools of advanced manufacturing. The convergence of biology, engineering, and materials science is driving this transformation. We are witnessing the emergence of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to the unique genetic and physiological makeup of each individual. This approach promises to revolutionize healthcare by delivering more effective therapies with fewer side effects. Advanced manufacturing techniques are central to realizing this vision of personalized healthcare. They enable the creation of customized medical devices, implants, and drug delivery systems tailored to the specific needs of each patient. This level of precision and personalization was unimaginable just a few decades ago. This essay will delve into the key advanced manufacturing techniques driving this healthcare revolution: additive manufacturing, advanced materials, and nanotechnology. We will explore their applications in medical devices and biopharmaceuticals, highlighting real-world examples and potential future innovations. Additive manufacturing, commonly known as three-dimensional printing, has emerged as a game-changer in healthcare. It involves building three-dimensional objects layer by layer from a digital design, using materials such as plastics, metals, ceramics, and even living cells. This technology offers unparalleled flexibility in design and fabrication, enabling the creation of complex geometries and intricate structures that were previously impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. In medicine, three-dimensional printing is finding applications in diverse areas, including the creation of custom prosthetics, implants, and surgical guides. Prosthetic limbs can be designed and printed to perfectly match the anatomy and needs of individual patients, offering improved comfort, functionality, and aesthetics. Similarly, three-dimensional printed implants, such as hip and knee replacements, can be customized to fit the patient's unique bone structure, reducing the risk of complications and improving long-term outcomes. Perhaps the most exciting application of three-dimensional printing in medicine is the creation of bioprinted organs and tissues. Researchers are now able to print functional tissues such as skin, cartilage, and bone, using bioinks composed of living cells and biomaterials. These three-dimensional printed tissues hold immense potential for regenerative medicine, offering hope for patients suffering from organ failure or tissue damage. While the bioprinting of complex organs, such as hearts and kidneys, remains a significant challenge, the progress made in recent years suggests that this futuristic vision may one day become a reality. The ability to create functional organs on demand would revolutionize organ transplantation, eliminating the need for organ donors and significantly reducing waiting times. The development of advanced materials is another key driver of innovation in healthcare. These materials, often engineered at the nanoscale, exhibit unique properties that make them ideal for use in medical devices and implants. They can be designed to be biocompatible, biodegradable, and to possess specific mechanical, electrical, or optical characteristics tailored to their intended application. Biocompatible materials are crucial for creating medical devices that interact with the human body without triggering an adverse immune response. Titanium alloys, for example, are widely used in orthopedic implants due to their strength, durability, and excellent biocompatibility. Biodegradable materials, on the other hand, are designed to gradually break down and be absorbed by the body over time. This is particularly useful for creating temporary implants, such as sutures and drug delivery systems, which eliminate the need for a second surgery for removal. Advanced materials are also playing a critical role in the development of smart medical devices. These devices incorporate sensors, actuators, and microelectronics to monitor physiological parameters, deliver therapies, and provide real-time feedback to patients and healthcare providers. For example, smart insulin pumps can continuously monitor blood glucose levels and automatically adjust insulin delivery, improving glycemic control in diabetic patients. The ongoing development of biocompatible, biodegradable, and smart materials is opening up new frontiers in healthcare. These materials are enabling the creation of innovative medical devices that are more effective, less invasive, and better integrated with the human body. Section 4. Nanotechnology, manipulating the building blocks of life. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. At this scale, materials exhibit unique properties that can be harnessed for a wide range of applications, including drug delivery, diagnostics, and regenerative medicine. Nanomaterials such as nanoparticles, nanotubes, and nanowires are being investigated for their potential to revolutionize healthcare. Nanoparticles, for example, can be used to deliver drugs directly to target cells, improving therapeutic efficacy and reducing side effects. These particles can be engineered to carry a specific drug payload and to target specific cells or tissues, ensuring that the drug is delivered precisely where it is needed. This targeted approach is particularly beneficial for treating diseases such as cancer, where conventional chemotherapy often affects healthy cells along with cancerous ones, leading to significant side effects. Nanotechnology is also enabling the development of highly sensitive diagnostic tools. Nanosensors, for instance, can detect minute quantities of biomarkers in bodily fluids, enabling early disease detection and more accurate diagnosis. These sensors can be integrated into portable devices for point-of-care diagnostics, providing rapid and reliable results in a variety of settings, including remote areas with limited access to healthcare facilities. The ability to manipulate matter at the nanoscale is providing unprecedented opportunities for advancing healthcare. Nanotechnology is poised to revolutionize drug delivery, diagnostics, and regenerative medicine, paving the way for more effective, personalized, and accessible healthcare solutions. Section 5. Conclusion. A future of personalized healthcare. Advanced manufacturing techniques are ushering in a new era of personalized healthcare. These technologies are transforming the way we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases, offering unprecedented possibilities for improving human health. Additive manufacturing, advanced materials, and nanotechnology are converging to create a future where medical devices, implants, and drug delivery systems are tailored to the unique needs of each individual. The ability to 3D print custom prosthetics, implants, and even bioprinted tissues is revolutionizing reconstructive surgery and regenerative medicine. Advanced materials are enabling the creation of smart medical devices that monitor physiological parameters, deliver therapies, and provide real-time feedback, ushering in an era of personalized and connected healthcare. Nanotechnology is pushing the boundaries of medicine by enabling targeted drug delivery, highly sensitive diagnostics, and the manipulation of matter at the molecular level, opening up new frontiers in disease treatment and prevention. These technologies are not merely futuristic concepts, they are already being implemented in clinical settings, improving patient outcomes and transforming the healthcare landscape. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between biology, engineering, and materials science. The future of healthcare is personalized, precise, and powered by the transformative tools of advanced manufacturing.